Alright, what's up guys? The time has finally come and we finally have the springs. It's been, I don't know, at least a month. But they came in stock finally, and then when they said they were in stock, they really weren't, so I had to wait like another week, but I went ahead and bought them. And then they showed up like Wednesday, or my fault, Thursday. So it's now Friday, we're gonna go ahead and put them on. So let's get to it. Well, I walked outside to put the car on blocks so I can go ahead and start jacking it up and everything, and it's raining. I don't know if you can tell or not, but it is raining. So, I guess I'm going to wait because I don't want to get wet. I may go ahead and put it on, I may go ahead and drive it up on the blocks though, but I have to take out my interior in the back, the rear seats, to get to the struts. And I was going to do that before I jacked it up, so I'm going to wait to do that. But hopefully it stops raining soon because it looks like it's blue skies, so hopefully it goes by pretty quick. It is very hot out here. The rain finally calmed down. Drove them up on some blocks, so now I can get the jack up under there, and whenever I lower it, I can get the jack out. Because I don't know if I can or not, so this is just for extra protection just in case I can't get the jack out. I probably only needed one block, but I put two because just to be safe, it doesn't hurt. So now we're going to take out the rear seats, which shouldn't be too bad. I think there's clips somewhere up under here. Oh, yep, I feel it. And I think you gotta like pull them, or you pull them out, and then you should just shimmy it out. Basically, it should come out. So see y'all when I do that. What I thought was going to be an easy process was very hard. I finally got the rear struts. Hard to tell. There they are. Shown after all this mess. It's like, it's really hot. And I had on a cotton shirt and it didn't help it at all. So next step, just to jack it up, and then now all we gotta do is put the new springs on. So that part was a lot harder than I thought it was gonna be, so hopefully the rest is not so bad. Okay, car's finally jacked up. Oh, and it's getting a little foggy. Car's finally jacked up. Look at them pretty red calipers. So next is of course just to take off the, we're gonna probably take off the sway bar end link and then control arm, and then I'll let this put blocks up under a jack stand, and then of course take off or undo the top of the strut, which is up here, and then yeah, take it out. So let's get to it. What's up guys? It is now dark outside. We have been at the two front struts for like 5 hours now, and I wasn't gonna record it because it was very annoying and it was taking way longer than it should have. I had to drive all the way to Alabaster to get, which that's like 20 minutes away from here, to get spring compressors because I didn't think we were gonna need them. Getting the springs off, we didn't need them, but putting them back on, we did. But yeah, the lower control arm nut was like torqued to hell and back, so it was a pain to get on. But my dad can't really tell, but I can tell that it's already lowered a good bit. And we just put them on, so it's still got to settle. So like give it a week and it'll be a lot lower. But it's really hard to tell at night. I'll have to video in the morning again, which I will. But let's see if we can see the back. See, you can't tell. But it definitely has lowered it a good bit in the front already, and it looks really good. And like I said, whenever I drive, it'll start to settle and it'll look even better. But yeah, that was a pain. I'm hoping the back will be a little bit easier. We will see tomorrow. Alright, so it's the next day, by the way. It's been a total of probably like 10 hours. It's finally done. It's hard to tell right now, but I'm gonna leave somewhere later. But it looks so good. No more wheel gap anymore, and this isn't even settled all the way because they're new, so it still has room to settle. I mean, I can't stick two fingers in there. Whenever it settles all the way, I'll probably be able to stick barely be able to stick one in there. Hold on, lens is fogging just a little bit, but it looks really good. There's a front splitter that I gotta put on. I don't know if it's gonna go on in this video though. I want to put it on today, but we'll see. It may go on tomorrow, but it looks 10 times better, and it was a pain. I can't lie. It was a pain. Whoever torqued these bolts down needs to be fired. But we're gonna go take the spring compressor back to O'Reilly's in a little bit, and I'll talk to you and tell you how the ride feels. It should feel the same, but we'll see. Finally made it to O'Reilly's. Alright, so I've been riding for about like 3 minutes, maybe. I scraped in my driveway already. That's not a good sign. But we do have a speed bump in our driveway, which is why I did scrape. But I've been riding for a little bit right now, and it feels like it's stock. I mean, it don't feel any different, which is what I was going for, because I did not want it to be stiff. My truck is stiff and it is annoying, so it feels good. I'm very happy with it, and it looks good. And I still got about a week for it to settle, probably. I don't know how long, probably about a week probably, and it'll look even better. So yeah, we're about to go over some railroad tracks real quick, so I guess I'll see what it feels like. Yeah, it feels exactly like stock. That's good. But yeah, we're on the way, taking those spring compressors back down there, and the interstate and back roads are backed up, so yeah. But like I said, I'm happy with it. If you want to do this, it's definitely a cheaper alternative to coilovers, and it feels like stock. So, and my car looks good. Front lip will be a little short. I'm gonna do another video tomorrow probably for the lip. It'll probably be shorter, but I'm gonna do that. All right, so I forgot to finish the video yesterday. Drove around in it for a while, and it feels really good. Don't hear or feel any problems with it, so successful install, even though it took like 10 hours. And as you can see a little better now. You can tell there's like no wheel gap. I can't put 2 fingers under there. It looks so much better than how it was. And like I said before, it hasn't even settled all the way yet, which will probably be about a week till it settles, I would assume. Then I'll go get an alignment. But yeah, just wanted to end the video here, and thank you guys for watching, and make sure to check out my next video because I'll be posting soon. I'm about to do that right now, actually. But yeah, just remember, don't stop now.